My name is Zanai Randall, and this is my Phyla Project, exploring the diversity of life. The first organism is the American bullfrog, its scientific name being Lithobates caspionis, a part of the Animalia kingdom, Chordata phylum, Amphibia class, Anura order, Ranidae family, and genus Lithobates. It is native to eastern North America and inhabits permanent freshwater bodies like ponds, lakes, and swamps. It is a carnivorous organism that preys on insects, small mammals, birds, and other amphibians. It reproduces through external fertilization, and eggs hatch into aquatic tadpoles which metamorphose into adult frogs, and its primary ecological role is a predator and helps control populations of various aquatic and terrestrial organisms. Next is the leopard slug, also known as the Limix maximus, a part of the Animalia kingdom, the Mollusca phylum, the Gastropoda class, the Stylometophora order, the Limicidae family, and the Limix genus. It is native to Europe and was introduced to North America, and it is found in moist, shaded environments like gardens and woodlands. It is omnivorous and feeds on fungi, decaying plant material, and occasionally other slugs. It is hermaphroditic, which means it lays eggs in moist soil, and their juveniles hatch and mature into adults, and it is a decomposer and aids in breaking down organic matter. Next is the pillbug, also known as a roly-poly, and its scientific name is Armadillidium vulgare. It's a part of the Animalia kingdom, the Arthropoda phylum, the Mollusca class, the Isopoda order, the Armadillidae family, and the Armadillidium genus. It was originally found in Europe, now widespread across the world, and resides in moist environments under logs, rocks, and leaf litter. It is a detrivore, which means it consumes decaying organic material. Its females carry eggs in a brood pouch, and its juveniles undergo several molts before reaching adulthood, and its role is a decomposer and contributes to nutrient cycling in soil ecosystems. The earthworm, or the subclass Olecicada, is a part of the Animalia kingdom, the Annelida phylum, the Sclerolata class, the Haplotaxida order, the Limbricidae family, and the Limbricis genus. The earthworm is found globally in moist, nutrient-rich soils. It is a detrivore, which means it ingests soil containing organic matter, extracting the nutrients. It is hermaphroditic, which means it exchanges sperm with another worm and lays cocoons containing fertilized eggs, and its primary role is to aerate the soil and recycle nutrients, which enhances soil fertility. Next is green algae, also known as filamentous green algae. It's a part of the Plantae kingdom, the Chlorophyta phylum. It's primarily in the Chlorophyceae class, the Bryopsidales order, the Caulerpace family, and the Caulerpa genus. It commonly lives in freshwater environments across North Carolina, including ponds, lakes, and streams. It is autotrophic, so it performs photosynthesis to get its food. It exhibits alternation of generations with both haploid and diploid stages, and its role is to provide oxygen through photosynthesis and serve as a food source for aquatic invertebrates. The next organism is the southern maidenhair fern, also referred to as the Adentum capillus veneris, a part of the Plantae kingdom, the Pteridophyta phylum, the Polypodicida class, the Pteridales order, the Pteridaceae family, and the Adiantum genus. The southern maidenhair fern is found in the southern regions of North Carolina, typically in moist, shaded, limestone-rich areas. It is also autotrophic, meaning it conducts photosynthesis. It has an alternation of generations with free-living gametophyte and sporophyte stages, and its role is to add to the biodiversity of shaded habitats, aiding in moisture retention and soil health. The next organism is mushrooms, also called Boletus orientosplendens, a part of the fungi kingdom, the Basidiomycota phylum, the Agaricomycetes class, the Boletaceae order, the Boletaceae family, and the Boletus genus. These can be discovered in Macon County, North Carolina, and grows in other mixed woodlands under beech oak, hickory, red maple, tulip, and shortleaf pine. It is a mycorrhizal, which means it forms symbiotic relationships with tree roots. It reproduces via spores, developing fruiting bodies or mushrooms seasonally, and enhances nutrient uptake for host trees and contributes to forest ecosystem health. Next is pincushion moss or terrestrial moss, also called Leucobrium albidum, a part of the Plantae kingdom, the Bryophyta phylum, Bryophyta class, Dicranales order, Leucobryaceae family, and Leucobrum genus. Pincushion moss is found widespread in North Carolina, thriving in acidic soils of forests and woodlands. It is also autotrophic, performing photosynthesis. It is a dominant gametophyte stage and reproduces via spores, and its role is to contribute to soil formation, retaining moisture, and providing habitat for microfauna. Next is the eastern redbud tree, also known as Cercis canadensis, a part of the Plantae kingdom, the Magnoliophyta phylum, the Magnoliacida class, the Fabaceae order, and the Fabaceae family, and the Cercis genus. The eastern redbud tree is native to eastern North America, commonly found in woodlands and along forest edges. It is autotrophic, performing photosynthesis to receive nutrition. It is perennial or recurring and reproduces via seeds produced in pods, and it provides early spring nectar for pollinators, contributing to forest understory diversity. Lastly is Paramecium, a part of the Protista kingdom, the Ciliophora phylum, the Oligophophynomeria class, the Penicillida order, the Paramecidae family, and the Paramecium genus. It is found in freshwater environments like ponds and lakes, thrives in stagnant water rich in organic matter. It is heterotrophic, consuming bacteria, algae, and yeast via cilia-driven feeding. It is primarily reproducing asexually through binary fission and can engage in conjugation for genetic exchange, and it controls bacterial populations, serving as prey for larger microorganisms.